Hey guys, it's AI Simplify back here with another amazing video. Without much ado, let's jump straight into it. So today you will learn how to use ChatGPT for your homework without getting caught. By using ChatGPT, we can save time and effort while still producing high quality work such as this essay I have written from ChatGPT. That's great, isn't it? But that can be detected by an AI detector tool. So here's how you can avoid that. But first, let us check if this is actually generated by the AI or not. So simply copy this and come to this tool we have writer.com and paste it here and simply click on the analyze button. And as you can see, this is 76% human generated, but it is 24% AI generated. So anyone can tell that this is generated by AI. It is not a good score. And in order to avoid that, here we have a tool for you, which is a paraphrasing tool by quillbot.com. And all we have to do is copy our essay again from ChatGPT. Simply come here and copy the same essay and come to this tool, paste it here. And once you're done with that, simply click on the paraphrase button. If you're not subscribed by now, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we post amazing similar AI content for future videos. There. You have successfully generated human-generated content by using tools like Paraphraser, and you actually got the essay from ChatGPT. So this is a really powerful trick which you can use to write articles or essays for your official works or class presentations, and do not get caught because this is completely human-generated, and anyone can say that this is human-generated content by looking at the scores here. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, do leave a comment and let us know. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like to stay tuned for similar content in the future. Thank you for watching.